Murphy, Murphy. Dakota! You hump him. He humps you. Good grief. Hi, Pearly Pearl. Hi, Pearly Pearl. Hey, gentle, Ruger. Not the ears. Hey, seriously, you're focusing on the ear. Stop it. Oh, jeez. I have to admit, he did start it with you. But, seriously. Ferocious little man. You're pretty ferocious too. Brittany's just like, I'm tired and I'm grumpy and everybody's been picking on me, so I'm going to chew on this little stick. It fell on the couch. Hey! Ruger! Gentle! Ruger! Ruger! Gentle! You're being too rough, although he doesn't seem to care. I am going to re-bandage him today, though. Stop. He's being submissive. Stop it.